how do the types of tourist attractions that younger people like to visit compare with those that older people like to visit? What's the difference between them?
Okay, actually, the younger tourists in my country, they prefer to visit the place with name Bandamir because it's the full of some type of beautiful mountains and lakes that it's really suitable for those type of peoples, but it's not really suitable for the older people. But older people prefer to visit Ghazni city, so it's full of the ancient place and like ancient palaces that they really like them.